Good morning from the garden in the woods in Hot Springs, Arkansas. There you see some garden peach plants, tomato plants that I started in a grow bag. You can start your plants inside, of course, before the warm weather starts. A lot of people like to start their seedlings early. I like to start them outside. And for some reason, I don't know if it's because of starting them later, but I don't seem to have a lot of pests this year. Well, okay, you can see the air conditioner, you can see where there was a 10-gallon grow pot, and you can see the aluminum trellis that the sun-gold tomatoes used to be on. The sun-gold tomatoes are now out in a burn pile that I can burn in the fall. Yes, they let us burn things in the fall here. As long as you're careful, it lets you have a burn pile and burn in the fall. Okay, now here's the 10-gallon pot that I just took from over by the air conditioner, and you can see a marigold in there, marigold plant. One likes to see the little flower. This little flower is kind of droopy. Where are you, little flower? You should be right there. You go. I'm still learning. Okay, and also in this pot is a garden peach tomato plant that I also used a grow bag for. Remember, you could do the same thing in pots that I'm doing here. Back to my seedling table, and you can see the sweet basil is coming. It's late July. I'm hoping that I'll be able to harvest some of this. I may just keep it in these grow pots. You know, of course, I'll have to transplant. I have to transplant them into different grow pots. But there's some sweet basil. Oh, nice cool breeze. Oh, that feels good. Like I said, it feels like, I think it was 92, and it's only 11 o'clock, so it's very humid here. There's some more basil, tomato plant, another tomato plant right there. Here's another marigold, and I don't see any flowers on it, but this is this plant, this tomato plant that's staked with some bamboo that I got over in the woods over there, is a Better Boy. Out of the way. Is a Better Boy from 2023, so it's from this year. And I'm going to go ahead, and this is how you just, you know, the whole thing, just you want to get right there, and that's how you remove a sucker. Okay, so you can say I use bamboo for my trellising. I'll use a tomato cage for my trellising. I'll use aluminum trellis as well. And I use all sorts of things, but that's all I've got over here. There's some bamboo in the tree that I'm going to be using. Anyway, that's it for this morning. I hope you enjoyed my visit to the garden. Oh, before you go, let me go ahead and water this garden peach tomato plant and the marigold. Let me put some in the marigold as well. You can hear someone's mowing this morning, and you can hear the cicadas in the trees, and you can see the beautiful woods that surround my little garden. I hope you have a blessed day. Take care, and I hope you come back to see another video.